Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this introduction video. This is one of our new releases on our website, abacusfm.com. In this example, we have a composite column. Here we have internal aluminium column or pipe, outer that aluminium column as tube, and at the core we have ultra high performance concrete under both static and dynamic compression test. In Abacus, for concrete we use concrete damage plasticity, for aluminium elastic plastic plus ductile damage criterion, plus that the shear. And if you see here, after the analysis we have the compression damage all around the column. You can see in this example we use surface to surface interaction between the parts. We can use also the cohesive, the perfect contact, or any method. And then we have here the shear stress, which is happening at the top and at the middle of the model. In the second model we use the uh, fully damaged behavior for ultra high performance. You can see here the pattern of the failure is similar with compression damage. In the first picture you can see it is something like that. Everywhere is damaged under the compression test. And here this is the buckling happen at the middle. And then we have a stiffness degradation. You can see these are the area that element deleted because of the full failure. You can see here these are full failure happened here. And then the force displacement diagram, the maximum 3.5 meganewton for this composite column. Okay, if you need this tutorial, come to our website Abacus FM, find the English tutorial. You can search the title here in the search section to find it. Then you will have the introduction, assembly, then the definition of the material, the purpose of the study, the other results, and then at the end the final results. You can see. Here we have the project file, includes CAE, IMP, paper, English video, and step by step, and the price is 30 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and all the cryptocurrencies for the payment. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the payment process, the tutorial, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.